Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Keshav Nosnori and I'm the founder of Vestra. In this video, I'm super excited to show you everything about Vestra and introduce you to our first agent, Creatine. Vestra is an AI native workspace where humans and AI agents can work side by side just like real teammates. If you ever use Slack or Notion, you know how powerful it is to collaborate in one shared space. Vestra takes that idea and reimagines it for the AI era. Here, instead of juggling across multiple tools or hiring extra hands, you can create and collaborate with AI agents that can plan, act across tools, and work as your real teammate. Our mission is simple. We want to help lean teams under 10 people to achieve outsized outcomes. So, whether you're a creator, a lean startup, or a small business, Vestra gives you the leverage of a much larger team without the additional overhead. Let me quickly walk you through over how Vestra works. So we've designed Vestra around three simple steps. The first one is the ability to build AI agents. We want to make building AI agents as easy as talking to your friend. Our core philosophy has been that domain experts or people who understand the workflow, just like you, are the right people to build effective agents. And hence, we have made the experience completely driven by natural language. You can start by describing your workflows that you want to assign to your agents in plain English. For example, I need an analytics agent that connects my YouTube dashboard, tracks how each of my video is performing, identifies why some videos are doing well and why some videos are not doing well, and then give me a clear reports with recommendations every week. Vestra instantly turns that into a fully functional agent. Once built, these agents live in your workspaces. You can chat with them, you can assign tasks with them, and they'll respond to you like a teammate. Sometimes they can even work in the background while you're doing something more important. So, whether it is creating content, analyzing data, researching competitors, or even helping you sell your product, Vestra's agents are always on your fingertips. And here is where Vestra is truly different. On Vestra, the agents that you're creating don't just work in isolation like everywhere else. They collaborate with you and they work with each other inside shared channels. So when you add agents into a channel, they can work with each other, they can share context, they can call each other, and they can collaborate with you like a real teammate. That means your content agent, your analytics agent, your marketing agent can all work together with you in the loop to get things done. Let me go to the explore section. So we are creating a bunch of useful agents beforehand so that we can take away the heavy lifting from you. Our first agent that we recently launched is called Creatine. So Creatine is our multimodal content creation agent. It is built to help you create across images, video, audio, everything else in iterative fashion. Right now, most creators and businesses rely on more than 10 tools like Photoshop, Midjourney, Canva, Premiere, Runway, Final Cut Pro, and a lot more. These cost thousands of dollars every year in subscriptions and hours of context switching from one tool to the another. Creating changes that forever. It's like a Swiss Army knife of AI content creation, one agent that replaces all those subscriptions while giving you even more capabilities. With Creatine, you can generate images, edit them, upscale them, design posters, create cinematic videos, add audio, sync lips, and keep iterating until you're happy with the final result, all inside one seamless workflow. And here is the big shift. With Creatine, you don't need to hire big creative teams anymore. The agent becomes your designer, your video editor, animator, and sound engineer, working instantly at the fraction of the cost. Let me quickly get into Creatine. So Creatine combines multiple best-in-class models into one single agent that handles your entire creative workflow. But you don't have to worry about AI models or AI jargon or anything of that sort. You just have to talk to it the way you talk to your creative teammate. Tell it what you want, it understands your intent, it assesses the context, and it uses the best tools and models under the hood to get the job done for you. So let's walk through an example together. Imagine we are launching the sleek new AI assistant device that looks like a futuristic iPod version. All we have to need is one product image, a logo, and a headline. Normally, you'd need a full creative team or at least a single designer to turn this into a launch ready asset. With Creatine, you can do it yourself in minutes. Let me show you how. Let's start by uploading our product that we want to launch. Launching this product this week. We will help with some assets. Cool. So it's trying to understand what kind of assets that we want. And first, let us start by creating some variations. We want to create these variations for our video product. Say the first one is a studio shot, the second one is a lifestyle desk setup, and the third one is dramatic dark gradient background. Let's tell this to Gradient. Okay, so it is trying to understand the kind of variations that we're asking for. Then it goes into which model is going to do this best for us. It has picked Google Nano Banana for this use case, and it's parallelly processing all the variations. And once the variations are ready, here it is. So the gradient lighting one is here, or studio lighting one is here, and a lifestyle one where the product is sitting next to your laptop workflows. But I want to add my logo on this images. So let us first take the gradient image and add this logo on top of it. Brand it. And let me give it to it. Let's see what it does. It has generated three images before. It is now trying to understand which one was the gradient one. It will automatically pick the gradient background image. And now that we have also provided a logo for it, it is going to take that logo, find the best spot for that, and put it on that. And here we go. Okay, because we said on top of it, let us put on top of this image, but let us just confirm that logo on the device. So look at the way it's following your instructions, picking the best models around based on your intent. That is where all those partners that we have fed into Creatine is coming from. There it is. Add one, and also I want a smaller logo, maybe towards bottom, center to bottom. As you can see, like all we are doing here is having conversations with Creatine, just like we would be talking to our teammate. And we are trying to get the things done, try to create our creatives that we want to launch, and etc. There it is. It has added in the place that we requested for it. Now maybe let us try to add maybe a tagline under this saying awesome, enter the product, and below the product tagline, so experience the future in a beautiful font that matches the entire vibe. Okay, great. Now we can see that the text is being added here. Let us quickly enhance this image for higher quality. So it is picking upscaler for this. It is going to enhance our image. Yep, there we see. The image has been successfully enhanced. Maybe now let us try to keep this as an advertisement on the Times Square. Create a video around that next. Let me say awesome Square. Let me say let's keep the forecast. And one more thing about Creatine is you can always pick the model that you want, if at all. Like say, suppose in this case, I can say use Nano Banana for this task. It's going to follow your instruction in this case. If there are any specifics or if there are any particular model that you are interested, you can always tell that to create it. And as you can see, it's going to pick Google Nano Banana for this task. Awesome. As you can see, our image is on the Times Square. The text under the product, not very clear. Maybe just remove it. Awesome. You can see our product is on Times Square now. What we can do next is maybe create a realistic scene out of it, like this thing happening in reality. Let's say, so now Creaton is going to pick a video model to make that scene happen in real life action. It is going to pick Kling as we have requested it for. Okay, so now Creaton is going to pick a video model, and in this case, Kling specifically because you mentioned that. And it is going to create a video with this scene happening in reality. Okay, the video is ready now. As you can see, it is showing our model with some glowing effects around, and the city is bustling with people. Maybe to make it even more realistic, add an audio to the scene. Now it's going to pick an audio model that is Think Sound that adds audios on top of videos to make it even more live that you can post it on the social channels, etc. as an advertisement. Okay, now our audio is also live. Let us just it's just the bustling street noise of New York that is happening in a real scene. And you can see, you can get the flavor of how Creatin is working here. It's just like your creative partner with whom you can have a conversation and iteratively get to your output that you really want by having a chat with it. You need not have idea about anything around AI. It's just like your companion, your teammate, and whatever you want to call it. So that is how powerful Creatin is. From a single product image, we have delivered an entire launch kit. We have created some images that we can use. We have created an audio and also made a video with an audio that is more realistic. Something that normally takes a creative team to get this done. You can just sit on your laptop and quickly produce whatever you want to. And this is just one agent. Imagine when agents this powerful are sitting in a channel with you, like your content agent, your design agent, your analytics agent, your marketing agent, all are working together in your Vestra's workspace. So your content agents drafts, your create and then polishes designs for that, and your marketing agent distributes that, your analytic agent optimizes and understands how users are reacting, all in the sync with you in complete control. So that's the future of work that we are building at Vestra, a world where small teams can achieve outsized outcomes with fleets of AI agents as true collaborators. So I'd love for you to go and check out. Please go to Vestra.ai and try creating today and join us in shaping the future. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.